Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the final on my Earls Oil diorama. The Earls Oil kit is from Bar Mills, and this is my take on it. Now these guys make these kits for model railroading, which is really cool. However, that's a rabbit hole that I don't need to go down. I've got plenty of rabbit holes that I'm as far into as I need to get into, but I really enjoyed this and the detail in a kit like this, and everything you see here except for the pickup and the mechanic and then the old junker in the back. Everything here came in the kit. The tanks, the building, the sign, that was all in the kit. I added the foam base. I bought some HO scale vehicles, some junkers, and maybe not quite so much of a junker. And I'm going to see if I can show you guys here. Tried to create a desert scene back here. Not quite sure. You guys can tell me what you think of it. But anyway, this was a lot of fun. And as I mentioned, I think in my last video, it isn't going to be my last one. I think probably next week I'll order a couple more of these kits. They're just so much fun, and the detail in them is just really, really cool. Yeah, so that's basically it. I've done a bunch of update videos, so you guys have pretty much seen it anyway. I did get the little ladder here and the board that goes across the tanks added in, and the pipes. And this one got a little bit crooked on me, but oh well. Not perfect, but I do like it. I really enjoyed it. If you guys are looking for a project, maybe to give you a different outlook or a different way to look at a model kit. I mean, this is all out of wood. These kits are all laser cut out of small wood, like plywood type stuff. They're easy to put together, and the effect is really, really cool. However, my next build is going to be the 29 Roadster that old Tom over at Rambler 69 sent me actually a couple of years ago. I'm going to see what I can come up with on that. But there's going to be more of this type of thing that I'm going to be doing. This was a lot of fun. And anyway, I hope you all are having a great weekend, and hope you all are getting some bench time, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.